oxy acids of nitrogen. Oxy acids of nitrogen. So what are the oxy acids? Oxy acids mean any element when react with oxygen and hydrogen, they form oxy acids. Any element when react with oxygen and hydrogen, they form oxy acids. So nitrogen oxy acids, hyponitrous acid, hyponitrous acid. That is H2N2O2. This is hyponitrous acid. And the second one, nitrous acid. Nitrous acid. That is HNO2. Nitrous acid, HNO2. Next, third one, nitric acid. Nitric acid. That is HNO3. Nitric acid, HNO3. So among these oxy acids, nitric acid is one of the most important chemical. So which is widely used as an acid and also oxidant. So we'll discuss about nitric acid. So nitric acid. This nitric acid preparation. See, preparation. This nitric acid is prepared in the laboratory by laboratory method from sodium nitrate. This is sodium nitrate. Otherwise, you can take even potassium nitrate also. When treated with sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid, it forms ammonia. And also sodium sulfate. Right. So water. That's water. So sodium nitrate or potassium nitrate, when treated with concentrated sulfuric acid, it forms preparing nitric acid, HNO3 and sodium sulfate. Sodium nitrate or potassium nitrate, when treated with sulfuric acid, forms nitric acid and sodium sulfate. Next, so this is the laboratory method. And industrially, HNO3 prepared by very most important process, that is Ostwald process. By the Ostwald process. Industrially, HNO3 prepared by Ostwald process. So in Ostwald process, the raw material is ammonia. So to the preparation of HNO3, the important raw material is ammonia. From ammonia we can prepare. So ammonia and air. Ammonia and air are taken in 1:7 volume ratio. Air 1:7 volume ratio. We are taken 1:7 volume ratio. Ammonia and air. So this ammonia treated with air means but oxygen. From air, oxygen is formed. So this ammonia and air are passed through the catalytic chamber. Here catalyst is platinum or rhodium is used, and the temperature is about 500 Kelvin temperature and 9 bar pressure. So platinum or rhodium. So the ammonia and air means oxygen is reacted here. Ammonia and air are taken in 1:7 volume ratio. These are passed through the platinum catalyst to hot platinum catalyst to about the 500 Kelvin, 9 bar pressure. So we will get initially nitric oxide. This is a nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is formed. So water is liberated. This formed nitric oxide. Again treated with air. In continuously air is passing. So nitric oxide again treated with air. Air is oxygen here. And forms nitrogen oxide. Nitrogen dioxide is formed. This nitrogen dioxide, in the third step, this is the step 1. In step 1, in step 2, in step 3. In step 3, the nitrogen dioxide formed is dissolved in water. To form nitrogen dioxide dissolved in water to form HNO3 and also nitric oxide. This formed nitric oxide is again recirculated to form HNO3. So here HNO3 is prepared. This nitric acid is prepared. This can be dried up. It can be dried up by H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4 into 98% HNO3 formed. So this HNO3 formed is with moist. So it can be dried up by concentrated sulfuric acid to form 98% of HNO3. Now HNO3, the properties of HNO3. So the HNO3 prepared is 68% pure. HNO3 prepared in a laboratory is 68% pure. And this HNO3 is it have only freezing point. It have freezing point of 233 Kelvin and boiling point is 355 Kelvin. And it has specific gravity 1.5. And it is the colorless liquid. It is colorless liquid. It is the colorless liquid. And it is used as acid. It is a strong acid. And also strong oxidant. Strong acid and also strong oxidant. So some chemical reactions. HNO3 when reacted to HNO3 when react with metals undergo oxidation. Example, if you see copper metal when react with HNO3. Here dilute HNO3. Here we are taking 8 moles and forms copper nitrate plus nitrous oxide. This is the important one. Here nitrous oxide plus water. The same copper when reacted to HNO3 concentrated. Here is a concentrated HNO3 means only 4 moles we are taking. It forms same copper nitrate and also nitrogen dioxide with water. Here the product NO2. In the case of dilute HNO3, N2O, nitrous oxide. In the case of concentrated HNO3, nitrogen dioxide is the products. And